welcome back. We are going to continue our lesson. Now we're going to practice some together, and then I'm going to give you a few to do on your own. Then you'll watch the next video to check your answers and see if you are correct. So here we go. We have 11 halves. This is an improper fraction. The numerator is greater than the denominator. In order to do this, we need to divide to find the mixed number that we are looking for. So 11 goes in the inside. The numerator always goes in the inside of the division sign. The divisor is the denominator. And then we're going to start. I always like to put a little multiplication sign there. What times 2 equals 1? Nothing times 2 equals 1. So we're going to put a little blob there to hold that place. So you could put a 0 there. You can just leave it blank. You can put an X there, or you can just leave it, not do anything. So if that's new to you, don't worry about it. So what times 2 now equals 11? So what times 2, or how many 2's fit into 11 without going over? We're going to do 5. So we just divided. Now we're going to multiply. 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract, check, bring down. Does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers? Or dead mice smell crazy bad? Or dad, mom, sister, cousin, brother, however you want to do it. All right. So 11 minus 10, you probably are ahead of me by now. It's 1. So we subtracted. Check, is 1 less than 2? Yep, that's our built-in safety valve that lets us continue ahead. The remainder has to be less than the divisor. So 1 is less than 2, so we can continue. Is there any numbers here from the dividend to bring down? Nope, that tells me that I'm done. So normally we would write 5 remainder 1. When we're finding improper fraction or mixed numbers, we take the remainder and that becomes the numerator. And then the denominator stays the same. Whatever the denominator was here stays the same. All right, let's practice this one. So 5 1/2 is equal to 11 halves. 23/7, I'm going to take my numerator and put it inside my division sign. What times 7 equals 2? Nothing, so I'm going to skip that place value. What times 7 gets me close to 23? Or 23 divided by 7? 3. 3 times 7 is 21. Now I'm on my subtraction step. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Check, is 2 less than 7? Yep, we're okay. We can keep going. Bring down. Is there any number in the dividend to bring down to continue dividing? No. So that means that I'm done. Instead of writing remainder 2, that 2 comes up to my numerator, and denominator from the original problem stays the same. All right, last practice one, and then you're going to get to do some by yourself. 22 divided by 4. Numerator goes inside the division sign. Divisor is the denominator. What times 4 equals 22? Nothing times 4 equals 2. So when we look at it as 22, my answer has to go over the 10 or the ones place, 5 times 4 gets me close, is 20. I'm running out of board space. 2 minus 0 is 2, and 2 minus 2 is 0. Check, is 2 less than 4? I'm good. Bring down, nothing to bring down. That means I'm done. I don't have to do any more steps, except my remainder becomes my new numerator in my mixed number, and denominator stays the same. So 22/4 equals 5 2/4. All right, watch the next video for some problems and then answers. Thanks, guys.